Who's on Wheels, back with another video. So right now, remember how I installed my lights? I gotta switch my cables because I put them too close to the engine and they're getting overheated. So I'm gonna show you how to switch that, different place we're gonna put it. I'm with my boy right now. I already know.
What's up, guys?
Go follow him on Instagram. We out here, always working. If y'all didn't go see the sticker video, go see it. We on our way to 80 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed and you're watching it right now, press the link, press the subscribe button, press the like, the bell, and stay tuned, y'all. Taking out all that. We gotta move all that wiring right here. We're gonna see where we putting it. We don't know yet. That's the tools. We outside. Always outside. And then that's my new plate. I'm gonna put new things, plate holder. That's some spray cans for the parts. Gorilla Glue that I just got. So we're gonna switch that. I might switch my steering wheels today. I don't know. Yo, we just got this package, no cap. Check it out.
We already opened this all.
Yeah, it don't matter.
You want to show them?
Stay tuned, yeah. Show them what we're about to do next.
You sure, bro?
Yeah, hold on. Look, so I don't think we're lying. Look at that. That's next on the whip.
We got two of them, so
Stay tuned. That's next.
run.
Yeah, so we decided not to change the wiring. We're gonna order some tubes for the wiring to cover them from the heat. Something like this. Something like that.
A harness.
A harness.
So it can protect it from the heat. Because if we change it here, we got the radiator here, and it's still gonna have heat, and you know they're gonna melt down. So with the harness, we're just gonna go the same way as this harness right here. Gonna protect it from the water and the heat. So
yeah, and we're about to put some tape on the wires for now.
Yeah, on the
to protect them from the rain. Make sure my lights don't get messed up.
Try to use electrical tape.
Try to use electrical tape.
Whatever tape.
If you know about it, comment down below what any suggestions y'all got. Fix this bumper right here. For some reason they don't stay in there, but we're gonna fix that today, probably, most likely. My rain guards, and I'm gonna get them side skirts, so stay tuned. Next video they might be already put on, so stay tuned. So I'm gonna get the side skirts down there. My boy in the cut. Oh, chilling, look out. Yeah, so we've been trying to take this off. We spray canned this, right? If y'all seen in the recent videos, but we're trying to take it off to spray can it with a different type of brand of spray can so it will stay on. But first 3 people that comment down below in this video gets a shout out on the next video. In the beginning of the intro, you get a shout out. First 3 people that comment right now, they get a shout out next video. Just put your just comment anything you want, and I'll shout out your name on your username for YouTube. And stay tuned at the end. Yo, so like I told y'all, we do everything outside. Look how we did this right now. That's the first layer we did. I look fire, I ain't gonna lie. Look, do another layer right now. The paint off the other one, but it struggles because we couldn't take it off, so we had to use tape to tape it and tape it off. My boy just sprayed. This is the spray can we use. She like that house.
She tight. She didn't like us when we working our car.
Facts. Yo, so while the spray things and all that is drying, we're gonna install this on my steering wheel. And my parts is missing. One to the guy right there.
High bridge.
Alright, so my boy finally got it off after 30 seconds.
That's right, 30 seconds.
I'm about to install this. This thing gonna look crazy. Hey, y'all need some work done on your car, hit them up. And put some Gorilla Glue on it, just to make sure it don't fall off. Damn, he saying my steering wheel dirty.
Look at this shit, guys. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Make sure you put it the right way.
Not backwards H. Yo, peep the new locks we just installed. Carbon fiber. Here and over there on that side. This is where I got them from, look. Steering wheel almost done. I'm gonna do this soon, carbon fiber. I don't know when, but I'll let y'all know. Here's the final results. What y'all think? Yeah, so I just arrived to the spot with my boy Flacco. We about to do this. Like I told you, we about to wrap this. My boy over there, I think he in the car driving. We about to drive it. But we about to find how to take it out, y'all. We working on it, look. My boy Flacco be working on his car too. We take it. Follow him.
Let's see how it came out. Damn it, right there on the edge. I got fucked up. Yeah. I gotta redo it again. Boy, I almost had it in the front.
It's time. Fourth try.
Please. Shit.
We got this, we got this. If y'all got asthma, do not be near that. Let's see.
Boy!
My boy did it.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Hold you, nigga. Out of here, nigga.
So he's doing it perfect.
Practice makes perfect.
For real. So we was having trouble installing the shift knob, but we finally did it. My boy Flacco, look at the whip. It's coming out nice inside soon. We did this today. We did this small detail today. Y'all saw the spray can. Look at these ugly lights. We're gonna do a video about that, but look at this. Look at this, carbon fiber. This is next right here. This is next. Look at this, carbon fiber. Even my thing is carbon fiber. Look at that. Yo, stay tuned, y'all, cause I told you I got a lot of stuff for y'all. Shout out to my boy Flacco. Yo, go follow him right now. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. Go follow him, man. And if you, yo, like I said it too much times. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. You're gonna like it. Stay tuned though. It's your boy Juice, and I'm out.